You have probably heard this thousands of times that book your flight as soon as possible so you will get the cheapest tickets. But is that really true? The answer is sometimes yes, sometimes no. Let me explain you with the practical thought and the official concept used by the airline. First, understand one thing. According to the Government of India, airline fares are market driven, and according to IATA, airline use revenue management system. That means airline doesn't keep one fixed price for a ticket. Instead, they use AI, historical data, demand forecasting, competition, and many other factors to decide the ticket price. That's why the airline fares are called dynamic fares. Suppose you are planning to travel from Delhi to Mumbai on a normal weekdays in the month of February, no festivals, no major holidays, no big events. And many airlines operate on this route even every day. In this situation, booking early can increase your chance to get the best fare because the demand is probably normal. But remember one thing, nothing is guaranteed here as well because situation can change anytime. Now let's change the situation. What if you want to book the ticket for 31st of December or 1st of January, or if you want to book the ticket for Varanasi for upcoming Dev Dipavali, or if you want to book a ticket for a new year in Goa? Then many people think that if they will book the ticket as early as possible, then they will get the cheapest tickets. Not necessarily, because airlines revenue management system already knows that on these dates there is a huge demand every year. So the airline may decide to start selling the ticket at a higher price from the day one itself. That's why booking early doesn't automatically mean cheap. So instead of asking how early I should book, you actually should ask, is there any festival or a public holiday at my destination? Is it a peak travel sector at that time? Or is there any major concert or event going to happen? So these kind of things you should first check before booking the ticket. And one more thing, check how many flights operate on that route. If 8 to 10 airlines are flying between two cities every day, then passenger will be having more options. And because of this more options, there will be more competition in the market and maybe you will get a lowest fare. But if only 1 to 2 airline operates on that route, price may remain higher because of less option. But again, nothing is fixed. So the smartest travel doesn't just to book early. The smartest travel is to first understand the demand of the travel date and the destination. That's how you make a smarter booking decision. So follow Safar Seeko for more verified travel updates.